Alright guys, my name's Cameron, aka the Cocktail Coach, and in this video I'm going to be explaining about the online Gin Masterclass by Smartblend. So the online Gin Masterclass is your go-to guide, it's your go-to course to go from gin enthusiast to gin expert. So what is the online Gin Masterclass by Smartblend? The course is an extensive look into gin. It covers all things gin related, from where gin's from, how gin's made, the popular botanicals that go into it, covers all the popular gin styles, covers the history of gin, also covers all the classic need to know gin cocktails. Throughout the course there's textual chapters, there's also videos where I'll be showing up and I'll be talking to you about gin. I'll also be showing you how to make some cocktails. There's downloadable pieces. So there's a downloadable list, which is your equipment and your ingredients for everything you need to know to make the cocktails that I'll be talking about. The course is designed in a way where if you're a professional, you can still learn something from it, and if you're a total beginner, you can still follow along. It's easy to understand. Once you get the course, you've got access to it for 30 days, so you can make your way through, you can stop and go back at things you might have forgot, or things you weren't sure on. There's quizzes throughout it to make sure you retain the information, and if there's anything that you're unsure on, you can also head back and chat to me, Cameron, your cocktail coach, and I will guide you and give you that additional information that you need. So, who is this course designed for? This course is perfect for anyone who is a gin lover, whether you're a professional, whether you're in the gin trade, you work for a brand or a distillery, or you're a bartender, or you work in hospitality. But it also works on the flip side, where if you're just a gin lover, you're a gin enthusiast, you like making cocktails at home, you like drinking gin, and you just want to learn a little bit more about your favourite tipple, then this course is perfect for you. On the course page you can check out the full curriculum of what you'll be learning, so you've got an idea of what you're getting into. Any more questions, feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to help you out. I'm happy to guide you and make requests and recommendations. So that's it. That's the gin course. Really excited to be making this. Really excited to be coaching you throughout your gin journey. So check it out. Start your gin journey with me, Cameron, the cocktail coach from Smartblend today. Look forward to seeing you throughout the course videos. Bye for now.